In the last video, we understood what SQL is. Today, I want to show you how data actually looks inside a database. No coding yet, just understanding. This is a table. This is how data is stored. This looks very similar to Excel, right? These vertical lines are called columns. Okay, each columns stored some information. Name column stores names, city columns stores some city information, and marks column stores some marks information. These horizontal lines, right? These are called rows. Each rows is, each rows keeps information about a student here, right? For example, this row number one keeps information about student named Ian, right? What is his ID? What is his city? Where? What is his marks, right? So each of these rows are information about a particular student, right? Each row is a complete information, right? So this entire row here is one student. If I delete this particular row, right, row number 3, the information about this particular student is gone, right? SQL works on tables. Always remember this. When we write SQL, we are talking to table. Let's look at one more small example. This is the table having information about product, right? It's order ID, product, and prices, right? Different data, same structure. So every database is a collection of tables. Data lives inside tables. Table has rows and columns. This is row, this is column, right? SQL read information from tables, right? In the next video, we will finally write our first query, just one simple line. But before that, it's very important to understand what SQL does, right? And how SQL pulls information from the table, right? So SQL works around the rows and columns. Always remember this, right? So this is row, the horizontal lines are rows, the vertical lines are columns. So when we ask SQL to give some information from table, let's call this table as orders. Okay. When we ask SQL to give some information about some tables, right? For example, if I ask, give me details from orders table, right? So what it does actually, SQL will go look for this table, okay, and then if the table has some data, it will give the users the data, right? SQL will pull data from here and give the needed data to the users, right? That's what SQL does, nothing else. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.